Welcome to our guide on how to effectively use your voice in Suno AI. Let's explore the incredible voice features that can transform your projects. Voice modulation isn't just about how you sound, it's about conveying the right emotions and intentions through your RE's voice. Let's dive into how to set up your voice parameters in Suno AI for the best results. Understanding pitch and tone can help you convey a range of emotions. Let's learn to use them effectively. Pauses can enhance your delivery significantly. We'll see how to incorporate them for maximum impact. Clear enunciation is essential for audience comprehension. Let's focus on making your words count. Adjusting your speaking speed can significantly enhance engagement. Here's how to find the right rhythm. Just like any performer, warming up your voice before recording is crucial. Let's explore some effective exercises. Let's look at some examples that perfectly illustrate effective voice usage in Suno AI. As we wrap up, remember that experimenting with your voice settings can lead to amazing results.